Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video I will show you what's inside 180 watt mini inverter. Here you can see that there is 180 watt mini inverter. To operate this there is 12 volt wire. There is 12 volt input wire, positive and negative. There is a C220 watt output wire. There is cooling fan for cool this inverter. There is two transistor here, you can see that regulate this current. Dear friend, if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe. Also press bell icon for my next project notification. Now let's operate this inverter. To operate this there is 12 volt battery. There is positive wire. There is negative wire. Here you can see that so friend, that's all about from my this video. If you like my this video then don't forget to subscribe. Also press bell icon for my next project notification. Have a great day.